gorgeous, and today, whoa, I just messed up. Hi gorgeous. Okay. Hi gorgeous, welcome to Cooking with Kay, and today we're going to be doing a Jell-O recipe cookie and a marble cupcake. Hello gorgeous, welcome Cooking with Kay, and today I'm going to teach you a Jell-O cookie recipe and a marble cupcake recipe, and you're in for a treat. Let's get started. In this recipe, you're going to need 1 1/3 cup of sugar, and then you're going to need 2 2/3 cup of butter. Then you need 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon of vanilla, also 3 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, 4 Jell-O packets, and food coloring. Any color food coloring you want. So I have right here is the 1 1/4 cup of sugar. So we're going to put that in the bowl. Then what you're going to need is you're going to have to soften your butter. So let's do that. Okay, so once your butter is melted, you're going to put the 1 1/4 cup of butter into your sugar. Then you're going to take a hand mixer and mix together the butter and sugar until very flush. Together, then we're going to put 2 eggs. Now blend this with the 2 eggs. After blending that, you're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Smells like, I don't know, like a cookie batter. Good. Then you're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Then add 3 cups of all-purpose flour. We're going to use the 1 cup of that I did with the sugar and do this 3 times. One. It's like crumbled. Okay. 3. It's 3 cups. Now we're going to need 1 teaspoon of salt, what we did for the vanilla. Salt. Now we're going to be using baking soda. 1 teaspoon, as we did for the vanilla and salt. Today it does not want to come out for some reason. Then we are going to blend this all together. Very powdery. Oh, so a fun fact is that I'm getting a new dog on November 7th because I do cheer, and My mom said if I get one of the skills that I do for cheer, I will be able to get a new dog. And I did the skill that she asked me to do. So now I'm getting a new dog. He's a boy. And the type of dog he is a Labradoodle. I mean, a Golden Doodle. He's a Golden Doodle. He's called a Blue Merrill Golden Doodle. He's 3 weeks right now, but when I get him, he will be 8 weeks old. When it's a Golden Doodle, you have to wait 8 weeks. So I have 5 more weeks to wait, but when he gets here, he will be definitely on my channel, baking with me. So, the name I want to name him is Leo. Leo, I want to name him Leo. I got the name from on Pinterest. I saw the name on Pinterest. I looked up boy names off of Pinterest, and I was like, oh, I really like this name. But my mom likes, I think, Cooper. She likes Cooper, but I don't know about Cooper. I might go with Leo. But after we mix this all together, we're going to take 4 bowls. So now I'm going to divide it into 4 colors and put the cake batter or the cookie batter into here. Should be thick, like kind of like peanut butter. Like tap it off here. Probably put 2 scoops into each bowl, and if you have leftover, put more into the bowl. So, I actually am a sister of 3 brothers that are in their 20s, and they're very annoying. So, yeah, and I also am in 8th grade. I'm 13, about to be 14, and my birthday is on December 8th. So, you guys should tell me, what should I make for my birthday cake? Like, what type of design should I make for my birthday cake? Okay, now you can pick any 4 colors you want. So I picked blue. So what we're gonna do first is do the blue first, because I did blue. When you do this, don't put the whole packet of Jell-O. Just put enough. Like, that is enough. Then put it back in here. And then take your blue food dye and put a little bit more in there. And stir it together. Really good, and if you need to, because it's too thick, use your hand mixer. But right now, I'm not. Stir it up. You do not want to see any of the cookie batter. Like, it needs to be all blue. Okay, once that's done, and the next color we're gonna go on to is yellow. So the next color that I got is yellow. If I can fit that back into the box. Over here. Okay, now I'm going to take my yellow food coloring and put that in the yellow part. It looks orange, but it's not because it's yellow. Now I'm going to take the yellow spatula and mix together. some reason it does look orange. I have no idea why, but it's not orange. It's supposed to be yellow. Maybe add a little bit of the food coloring to make it the color that you want it. Because it's supposed to look like a rainbow. It's supposed to look like a rainbow, but you can have it any color you want. So my homeschooling it's not like a school that you do like online. It's actually my school that you actually do in public, but they're just doing Zoom calls right now because of coronavirus. So wherever you live and you're watching this video, this is a great thing to make as you're in quarantine and you're on school breaks, because throughout the day I have like a lot of school breaks. I have like 2 school breaks. So after that, I went with the color green. I'm gonna do the color green. Make sure you want to get Jell-O, because they're called Jell-O cookies. So I'm gonna get Jell-O. But what I was talking about the online school is that I'm doing like not in-person school, but I'm doing like the in-person school online course, if that makes sense. Does that make sense? Yeah, through a Zoom call. This is kind of like a lime green, kind of. Not like a green, because it's like a neon, but it's still pretty. I like this color. Would you like to be, if you're still in school, would you like to be doing online school, or would you like to be doing in-person school? My opinion, I would like to be doing online school because I'm on my own time and I can do school whenever I want. I don't have to do it 8 hours throughout the day. I can do it for 4 hours and be done for the day. So that's why I like it. But the other reasons I don't like it is I don't see my friends from school that often. So, yeah. That's the only thing I don't like. But I do cheer, so I get to go see my cheer friends almost every day. Not every day, but throughout the week. So, yes. So after that is mixed together, the green, or your colors are mixed together. Go on with your 4th color. So my 4th color is pink. Then take your pink, oh nope, that's the purple. Take your pink dye and put it in there. Okay, mix that all together until the color you want it. Kind of looks red, but it's pink. This all together. This keeps spinning. How do you like staying in the house for days and days and days and days and days? I don't like it at all. It's very boring. Like quarantining. Like, what do you do during quarantine? That's why I started my channel, because of this coronavirus and staying in the house all the time. So, yes. So, once your cookies are in the color form you want it, so I got blue that looks like a teal color, but it's blue, yellow, lime green, and a pink. So once you do all that, you want to start putting on your cookie sheet. Okay, so what you do is you want to take some flour, put them on your hands, and then take a roll of the cookie dough, and you want to roll it all together with the flour on your hands. We're going to get into a cookie dough shape. And then you want to dip it into sugar, roll it in sugar to make it like a sugar cookie. Then put it back over here and put it right there like a bowl. Then we're going to take it over here to Hello Gorgeous. Any type of glass. You want to dip it into any powdered sugar or flour and flatten them out. I'm dipping mine in powdered sugar because at the end you're supposed to put powdered sugar on the cookies, and just you want a lot more powdered sugar because powdered sugar is good. So we're dipping it into powdered sugar, and the powdered sugar is helping the cookie stick together. So then after this, you're gonna put your oven to 400 degrees. Then you're gonna put them into the oven for 8 to 10 minutes. You're gonna put it on the middle rack and let it cook 8 to 10 minutes. I'll come back when it's done. And it's a rainbow batch. I didn't really show you that one, but this is the rainbow batch. Mix all the colors together if you want to make this type of particular one. Just mix every single color that you made together. So now we're going to put these in the oven for 8 to 10 minutes. Come back when we're done. So now we are pulling this out. So this is the finished project of the rainbow colored ones. And if you come over here, this is the finished project of the normal ones that we did. They look really good, and what we're going to do for the finished touch is add powdered sugar to the top of each one. If you don't have a sifter, that we don't, you can poke holes down by the Ziploc bag and just shake it like this, and it will put it all over the cookie. Now we're doing the rainbow cookies. And that is the finished product of our 2 cookies. That's Cooking with Kay. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell button, and comment. And also, go follow me on my Insta. Bye!